Hello and welcome back to Technical AUK YouTube channel. In this video, we will be sharing with you 10 different ways to summon Microsoft Excel. Get in touch because I am now uploading weekly basis videos related Office 365, WordPress development, programming, and dynamic web development. Before I get started, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on my upcoming videos. Let's get started. Number 1. You can use the AutoSum feature in Excel to quickly add up a column or row of numbers. Simply click on the cell where you want the total to appear, and then click on the AutoSum button in the Home tab of the ribbon. Excel will automatically select the range of cells to add up based on the data surrounding the cell you selected. Number 2. You can use the sum function to add up a range of cells in a worksheet. Simply enter equals sum into the cell where you want the total to appear, followed by the range of cells you want to add up in parentheses. Number 3. In this way I've got quantity and amount. To get a total just for the amount in this column, I'll use the plus sign to get a total amount, and to do that I'll type an equal sign, then click on the right cell amount plus and click on salt amount. When I press enter I get an error because this is text, so you can use the plus sign, but you might get some errors if text is included in this column. I'll use the sum function, type an equal sign, some bracket, start and select range, close the bracket, and press enter, so that gives me the correct total. If there's a possibility that some cells might contain text, use the sum function instead of the plus sign. Number 4. Another useful way to sum in Excel is to use the SUMIF function. This allows you to add up cells that meet certain criteria. Number 5. If I want to add up anything that contains pen, so I have pen, pencil, gel pen, so if it's got pen upper or lowercase doesn't matter, but if it has that string in it. Enter the formula and press enter, so here it found pen, pencil and gel pen, and those numbers add up to 26 in the. Number 6. If you want to sum cells based on multiple criteria, you can use the SUMIFS function instead. This allows you to specify multiple criteria and only add up cells that meet all of them. Number 7. Another way to sum in Excel is to use the subtotal feature. This allows you to add up data in a range of cells and also create subtotals based on different categories. Number 8. I want to add mid-marks, final marks, and sessional marks. Type the formula and then press enter and see the output. Number 9. Now time to learn shortcut keys of sum. Select your cell where you want a sum of specific range and then press Alt plus equal to. Drag the formula right and see the output. Another interesting shortcut is first select all range you want to addition and then press Alt plus equal to and see the magic. Number 10. Amazing pro tricks. First select all the cell where you want to addition of specific range. Press Ctrl key and hold on and select different cells, then press Alt plus equal to. Bonus for you, sum through quick analysis. If you have a long list of numbers to add up, you can also use the quick analysis tool in Excel to generate a total. Simply select the range of cells you want to add up, and then click on the quick analysis button that appears in the bottom right corner of the selection. That's it. I hope you found these tips helpful, and please don't hesitate to leave a comment if you have any questions or feedback. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials on Excel and other topics related to technology.